Earth's Resources Assessment. Directions. Answer each multiple choice question. After you've selected your answer, explain why you chose your answer on the lines provided. Number 1. Resources can be classified as renewable or non-renewable. Which of these resources is classified in the same category as coal? A. Wood. B. Wind. C. Corn oil. D. Petroleum. Number 2. Which of the following is powered by a renewable resource? Number 3. Which of these is a renewable resource? F. Gasoline that contains some alcohol. G. Wind produced by the uneven heating of Earth's surface. H. Natural gas pumped from deep underground. J. None of these. Number 4. Fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas are non-renewable because A. We have run out of them. B. It takes millions of years for them to form. C. They are buried, decayed plant and animals and are difficult to mine. D. Scientists want to save as many fossils as possible. Number 5. In a forest area, some of the trees have been cut down and cleared. Which of the following is the best way to protect the forest? F. Using the cut trees to make paper and furniture. G. Replacing the cut trees by planting new seedlings. H. Clearing all the trees and turning the forest into a farm. J. Building homes only in the area where trees were cut. Number 6. Which of the resources in the picture above is non-renewable? F. The shining sun. G. The blowing wind. H. The growing tree. J. The burning gasoline. Number 7. On your way to school this week, try something new. Try this instead of this. Or try this instead of this. The person who made the poster was probably trying to convince people to F. Buy new sports gear. G. Wear their seatbelts. H. Get more exercise. Or J. Use less gasoline. Number 8. The figure shows a billboard about soil conservation. Love milk, then conserve soil. The person who made the billboard most likely wants people to think that soil is important because it A. Gives cows a place to stand while they make milk. B. Grows the food that cows need to have to make milk. C. Holds the water that cows use to make milk. D. Is always used up when cows make milk. Number 9. Water is used in homes every day. Sometimes water is used in wasteful ways. Is water a renewable or non-renewable resource, and how do you know? Describe 2 ways that water can be conserved at home or at school. Why is it important to conserve water?